If you want to drive more than 90 days in the Philippines, your foreign license won't be valid anymore. But don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to convert your foreign driver's license into a legal Philippine one. It's easier than you think. Hi everyone, this is Ashley, and welcome to Philippines Update. Foreigners in the Philippines can use their native driver's license for the first 90 days as long as it's in English. But after that, you're legally required to get a Philippine driver's license if you want to keep driving. Converting it means you won't need to start from scratch, you're just transferring your valid driving rights. And once you convert, your foreign license stays with you. They don't keep it. Awesome, right? Let's get started. Before heading to the Land Transportation Office, or LTO, get these documents ready. Application form, you'll fill this out at the LTO or download it online. Medical certificate must come from an LTO accredited clinic, usually located near the LTO office. They'll check your vision, weight, blood pressure, nothing too intense. Drug test result, required in many locations, especially for new license applicants. Your foreign driver's license, make sure it's still valid. Expired licenses won't work. Passport and entry stamp, bring the original and photocopies bio page, visa page, and arrival stamp. Official English translation, if your license isn't in English, bring a certified translation, a CRI card, or Alien Certificate of Registration, especially if you're a resident, student, or worker in the Philippines. Tax identification number, required if you're working or doing business here. Pro tip, bring multiple photocopies of everything, saves you from running to a shop later. Go to an LTO licensing center. You can find these in big cities like Quezon City, Manila, Cebu, and Davao. Some smaller regional branches may not handle conversions, so it's best to call ahead or check online. People report the main LTO branch in East Avenue, Quezon City, is the most efficient for foreign license conversions. I actually have done it myself, and they are very efficient and friendly there. Here's how your day at LTO will likely go. Fill out the application form, APL. It asks for your name, address, foreign license number, and contact info. Get a queue number. Head to the information desk. You'll be called for each next step. Submit all your documents. The evaluator checks for completeness. If you're missing anything, they'll ask you to return later. Pay the application and conversion fees. Expect to pay around 800 to 1,600 pesos depending on the branch and whether you're taking exams. Exams? Maybe. If your license is from a country with a mutual agreement or in English, you may skip the exams. If not, you'll take a written test, basic road rules, and driving test at the LTO lot. Biometrics. After approval, they'll take your photo, signature, and fingerprints. Get your temporary paper license. You'll receive it on the same day. The plastic card might take a few months and will be mailed to your registered address. Let's talk money. Here's a quick rundown of what you might spend. Bring cash. Not all branches accept card payments. Some people finish the process in 1 to 2 hours, others wait all day. It depends on how busy the office is and whether you need to take tests. Go early. Some offices stop accepting applications after 2 p.m. Here's how to make things go smoothly. Bring multiple photocopies, even extras. Arrive early and be ready to wait. Don't deal with fixers outside the LTO. They offer to speed things up but could get you in trouble. Stay calm and polite. LTO staff are doing their best in busy conditions. And make sure double-check spelling of your name and birth date before signing anything. And that's it. Converting your foreign license might take a bit of time, but it's totally doable and way easier than starting from scratch. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and also make sure to turn the notification bell on so you won't miss out on informative videos like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I read them all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Drive safe and enjoy the ride.